We will proceed by this again. KPH will be the total allocated time during a weekdays, which is common weekday we use for our working time, which is 8 hours. So big H will become the 8 hours. Within this allotted time, there will be always some time wasted for non-job related activities such as taking an authorized break on the job, going to stores, talking to friends, and all other off-job activities. And this one also relates with this, which is unavoidable delay due to traffic congestion. And those off-job activities are unrelated with the common job. We call it as W, the big W, which is the fraction of big and related. So here, they just 15% for the total work days. And at the end of the working day, the vehicle will also have to spend time T2 to drive from the last collection point to dispatch station. And the net time spent for collection activities is then only 1 minus weight PW, close the bracket, multiplied by big H minus weight T1 minus weight T2. And the number of trips NT possible during a collection day is therefore NT equals to, open the bracket, 1 minus with W plus the small bracket there, and then multiplied by BH minus with T1 minus with T2 plus the bracket, and then divide by T net. The length of time to mount and unload cargo, which is 0.4 hours, which is 4M. Time to unload cargo at the site, which is U, 0.127 until 0.133 hours. Okay, based on this condition for the HCS, we have the example here. Example 1, a contractor agreed to hold solid wastes from an industrial district of a city. The industries agreed to store their wastes on large containers located at strategic points. Due to the sizes of the containers, the whole container system of collections to be used. Based on the traffic study, T1, T2, and D1 were found to be 20, 25, and 8 minutes respectively. And if the round trip whole distance average 60 km at the speed of 55 miles per hour, how many containers can be serviced on the collection day of 8 hours? So the first thing that we need to do is, okay, we will share to you slide for the solution. You can refer from this slide for the solution. First, you need to know the formula that we will use. Okay, from here plus U plus VH and NT equals to 1 plus 1 minus VW plus the bracket and then multiplied by VH minus VT1 minus VT and close to the big bracket by. We assume that W also equal to 0.15 because it was a 15% from the total of the 0.5. This one 0.15 hours and M plus with U goes to 0.4 hours per trip and the small s which is 0.133 hour per trip. So this one the assumption that we will use for this question. And then we need to convert first minute become the hours for D1. This one you can get it from the question. D1 8 minutes you need to turn to hours, so you need to use these conversion factors and then afterward you can get 0.133 hours. For T1 20 minutes you need to convert to hours, so you can get 0.333 hours. And for T2 25 minutes you need to convert become the hours, so you can get 0.417 hour. And for the H, it states that round trip whole distance average 60 km at the speed of 55 miles per hour. So we need to convert it become the hours. So 60 km per miles hour. We need to convert using this formula. So you can get 0.676 hours. And then we apply from our first formula T net to find the trip. So M plus U plus with D1 plus with S plus with H. So M plus U which is 0.4 here. And then D1, 0.123 hours, and S, 0.1